What, you seen him in Victoria Station? Where?
Oh, sorry. Oh my God, it's you!
Okay, question. How did you get that Black Forest hot chocolate?
Well, Jamie, you just need to be a Costa Club member to get Black Forest hot chocolate 2 weeks ahead of its official launch.
Well, there you have it, guys. The Black Forest hot chocolate is back, baby. Now, all you got to do is download the Costa Club app, and you can get it 2 weeks earlier than anybody else. Thank you, cherry person, thing, human. Thanks, man.
Do you think that I need it? Just give it here. Fancy a coffee? Well, you can't have one. It's me, Charley Marlowe, a girl who's obsessed with cherries. So I'm flipping made up of the fact that Costa are bringing back the Black Forest hot chocolate. There's something behind us. What do you think that could be?
Costa Coffee.
This looks like an apple. A massive cherry.
This is to celebrate the return of the Black Forest hot chocolate. And I've been told that you are a massive fan of this drink.
I am. It's true. I love cherry. It's just like everything you want in a Christmas drink.
Well, if you're a fan of the Black Forest hot chocolate, I will give you the chance to win a digital Costa Black card, which will give you 60 free drinks for a year. 60? 60? 60? Yeah! Where does Black Forest originate from?
Sweden.
Italy, Denmark.
Loser! I didn't lose a corner. What is the main flavour/component in a Black Forest hot chocolate?
Cherry.
You've only got it wrong!
Oh my goodness. Thank you so much.
Keep this one for myself. Want to try the Black Forest hot chocolate for yourself? Download the Costa app and you can try it 2 weeks before anyone else.